Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Auto Diecast 164, and today we will come back with MiniGT, and the model is, yeah, it's Porsche 911 Dakar with a color name Shed Green Metallic with a number is 718. Oh, it's 780. Okay. Um, this was a new model with China distributor. Okay, license here. Okay, this was a famous car when it was released. Everyone was excited about it, and I I have this for a while, but today I just unbox this for you guys, and maybe you have seen this in the oh okay, a little bit harsh. Maybe you have seen this on the internet for a couple months. See what MiniGT was. Okay. Okay. I was excited about it because because everyone have this. Now I just open it. Okay, this was a new model. Oh, there it is. This car was released in 2024 for white, and look at this, very beautiful. I love, yeah, I loved it. Very beautiful, very detailed. You can see. Let's zoom a little bit. This is not a painting. It was real plastic line. You can see nice interior. Okay, very detailed wheel, and this is the back. Very beautiful. You can see the 911 Dakar, and spoiler here, and the special of this car is that you can see this is a special on the roof. It's not a very usual 911. It was designed for, you know, camping, or you can go everywhere. Yeah. I don't know, we can take it up. Oh, okay. Overall, this was a beautiful car. This color, I think this color more beautiful than the 911 Dakar with round eye. I don't know. A rowdy color with blue and white strip here. I think this is more beautiful than that. Wow, I love it. Very beautiful, very detailed. So MiniGT have quite a good quality reduction on the Porsche diecast. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video until now. If you guys like my video, please subscribe and like for more video in the future. Then see you next time. Bye bye.